You see, Dharma brothers and sisters have good qualities, and they have some samsara qualities. Therefore, we don't have to focus on others' samsara qualities. So when we focus on other people's good qualities, we can take refuge in them. When we take refuge in our Dharma brothers and sisters, it's not like I take refuge in Paris, or I take refuge in JJ, offer him a butter lamp, a gold face on his face, take JJ to Saraswati, people gold on his face. That's not my meaning. All right, or take Henry, or take Sing Piao to Saraswati, offer gold on him, and katas and silks. No. When we take refuge in our Dharma friends, it doesn't mean that we submit ourselves to them. It means we recognize their good qualities and focus on that and say, I rejoice in their qualities, and I like those qualities, and I want to have those qualities, or if I have those qualities, I share those qualities with them. So when we take refuge in our Dharma brothers and sisters, that's a very nice way of thinking about it. So sometimes when they disappoint us due to our views, we don't feel so disappointed. We don't. Because why? If they can disappoint us, we can disappoint them also. It's the same. So when we take refuge, it's like that for those of us who are Buddhists. For those of us who are not confirmed about our spiritual path, or we're another faith, that's okay also. It's not a problem. You don't have to be Buddhist. You don't have to be Buddhist to be saved or rescued. Buddha didn't teach that. So therefore, if you're not Buddhist, or you're not confirmed as Buddhist, when you recite these words, or when people recite these words, you think about what makes you inspired. Some of us can think about Jesus Christ. Some of us can think about Krishna. Some of us can think about Mahatma Gandhi, or Desmond Tutu, or Mother Teresa. No problem. So when we take refuge, it's not necessarily in an object, or in a God, or in a being, or in a savior. It's in the good qualities that are resultant from their practice. So when we take refuge in your good qualities, there's no way to feel disappointed.